Hello guys, welcome you once again to a new video. Maybe every day you use your computer to do some task, and probably after working continuously for hours you think that you have consumed so much time, but you did less work as expected. This means you are slow during your work. Have you ever thought why you are so? Maybe your action took time with the use of mouse and keyboard. But don't worry, I will tell you 10 keyboard shortcuts that you can use during your work on your computer to increase your time by some extent. So let's start with number 1. At times it happens that you are searching for an application but you can't find it. You can use Windows plus R keys together. This will open a run window. Here you can type your application name and press OK. If your application is present, it will get opened. For example, if you can't find control panel anywhere, you can open the run window and type in control panel and hit enter or press OK. This will open the control panel window. Moving to the next one, suppose you don't have this PC icon or recycle bin icon on your desktop or in the start menu. Ultimately you want to open a file explorer through which you explore your files. So you can use the shortcut Windows plus E and it will open the file explorer. The third one is, if many windows are open together on your desktop, you cannot access any of the desktop icons. So you generally minimize the windows or click on the rightmost side of the taskbar to show the desktop. This is time consuming. You can just press Windows and D keys together and the desktop will be displayed in front of you. If you once again press these keys together, then the desktop will be hidden and all open windows will appear again as it was. Following with the next shortcut. Many times your computer gets hanged or your app doesn't work properly. You want to close those apps but they don't get closed. For that, you right click on the taskbar and go to the task manager, or use Ctrl Alt and Delete keys together and go to task manager. This is a long process too. You can access your task manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys together and your task manager window will open. You can now do whatever you want to do. Moving to the fifth shortcut. Suppose you opened a window. Maybe it is a file explorer or a web browser. You are searching for a term but can't. So what you can do is just press Ctrl and F keys together and it will open a search box. You can now type in your search term and it will highlight the terms throughout the window wherever it is present. Now this shortcut is familiar to you. To close a window, you click on the close button with your mouse, but you can do it with your keyboard with two shortcuts. You might not know that. The first shortcut is Alt plus F4. This will close your current window. But you can also use Ctrl plus W. This will close the current window too. You came to know a new shortcut, right? Maybe I deserve a like for that, isn't it? Okay, moving to the next one. Here also you will come to know about two shortcuts for a particular task. If you have watched my previous video about web browser shortcuts, I have told you that if you want to search anything when a page is opened, you select the text in the address bar and type in the search text. This thing is also applicable in case you opened File Explorer. You can do the whole thing easily with your keyboard. Press Ctrl and L keys together. This will highlight the text in the address bar and type whatever you want to search. But surprisingly, you can also press Alt and D keys together. This will also highlight the text in the address bar. Okay, this is the 8th shortcut. Suppose you want to organize your important files by placing them in a folder. For that, you create a new folder by right clicking on a file explorer and select new and then folder. This is a long process. Just press Ctrl, Shift and N keys together. This will create a new folder. Just rename this according to your need and put your files in it. Moving to the 9th shortcut. This is a cool shortcut. Suppose there are many apps that you have pinned to your taskbar. You want to open one of it. Without using your mouse, you can do this. Start numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. from the first app in your taskbar in your mind. Maybe you want to open the 4th application. Press Windows and 4 keys together and that app will open in front of you. Like this, you can open whichever app you want to open, those are in the taskbar. Last but not the least, if you are in a folder and you want to go back to your parent folder, you generally press the back arrow button in the top left corner below the title bar to go back. You can give your mouse a rest and press the backspace key to go back to the previous position. Hope you got to learn something new. There are lots of other such shortcuts. If you want to know about that, comment below and I will come with the part 2 of this video. If I deserve a like, then give a like and show your support by subscribing, sharing and commenting on the video. Hope you have a great day ahead. Thanks for watching.